Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius Build. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how we can solve the service is not available on your SIM card error. Well, as you can see in my top right corner over here, I have two VoLTE, right? VoLTE, VoLTE1, VoLTE, which means that I have two SIM cards and I have both of them functioning properly. But for the people who do not see it and you guys witness an error like service is not available on the SIM card, then what you would have to do is, first of all, open your settings. Then here, make sure to go to the connections. I'll stay on this page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the most simplest way to solve the problem. That is turning on aeroplane mode, that is flight mode on and off. Just turn it on for a minute and just wait in this page. After about a minute, just turn it off. If you just turn it on and off, you will be resetting the network status, and with which, as you can see, now I got my tower once again. You'll be able to most probably solve the error. But if it's still the error is not resolved, then what you could do, additional steps to solve it is, in the connections page, just open on the mobile networks. In the mobile networks, just make sure to choose the auto connect which has LTE included. 2G is for 2G speed, 3G is for 3G speed, and LTE is the recent 4G network speed. And just make sure to set, if you are using a SIM like Geo, just make sure GeoNet is set as the APN, that is access point names. In the network operators, just make sure that select automatically is being checked on. Now, if we do all of this, the problem would most probably get resolved. If it's not yet resolved, then what you can do is you can just turn your mobile on and off. As you can see, you can just power off for about a minute, and you can just after 1 or 2 minutes you can just turn on your phone once again. If still the error is occurring even after you doing everything, what you can do is search for reset in your phone. Here you would have an option to reset your network settings. Just click on it and choose your SIM card and just click on the reset settings. You just click on reset settings, all the network settings including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth would be resetted for the specified SIM. So most probably your error would get resolved. So guys, I hope your error was resolved and this video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Once again, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.